guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how I stretch my hair from this to this using yarn. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Guys, so I'm going to start off by washing my hair. I'm going to be using my Argan oil of Morocco shampoo and conditioner, and then I'm also going to be using this detangling brush, once I put in my conditioner. Okay, I'm going to start off by applying the shampoo. I'm going to wash my hair 2 times, guys. I love this product, guys. Oh my gosh, my hair is 4C, it is coarse or whatever. This shampoo and conditioner gets me all the way together. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you guys the tea. I'm just gonna give you guys what works for me. So I love using this Argan oil of Morocco shampoo and conditioner, and I usually get this from my local beauty supply, but I'm gonna put a link from Amazon because I've seen it before on Amazon. Once I'm done, I'm just gonna take my conditioner. So I use the same Argan oil of Morocco conditioner, and then I'm just gonna take my detangling brush and use it to comb my hair out. I like to leave my conditioner in for like 5 minutes before I wash it out. I like to listen to some music and then just do some stuff in the bathroom. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so I'm going to be using my Contour Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. I love this product, guys. Oh my gosh, if you guys would like to try this, go ahead, give it a shot or whatever. Okay, I love it. I use it all the time. The shrinkage is real. Okay, the shrinkage is real, but we're going to get this all the way together. And then I'm also going to be using my Jamaican black castor oil and my coconut oil. A lot of people were asking me, which bottle of the Jamaican black castor oil do you use? So this is it right here, sis. This is the one that I use all the time. I usually get both of them from Amazon, sis. So I'm gonna put the links in the description below so you guys can check it out. So this is the mixture that I'm always rocking, the ones that I use for my braids. You guys can see I'm not even having trouble combing my hair out. Because why? Because when I was in the shower, I had my conditioner in and I did use my detangling brush. So that just makes everything easy for me. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using this yarn, just the basic yarn, black, whatever color you can get. Whatever you have in your house, that's what you're going to be using, sis, okay? I'm just going to stretch it out like this, and then I'm going to use my scissors to cut a little piece at a time. I'm just going to be using one strand and just fold it in half, just exactly the way I'm doing. I'm just going to section the hair out, that way I have like really nice chunk or box or whatever. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of the Jamaican black castor oil, just because once you use yarn, your hair does dry up a lot. So the yarn really dries your hair out. But what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you moisturize your hair before you use yarn. And then before you take it out as well, make sure your hair is really nice and moisturizes, okay? So that is what you got to know before you use yarn. So all you gotta do is wrap up the hair, guys. You don't have to do too much. You don't even have to, know how to braid or anything like that. Just wrap the hair up and then tie a little knot at the end once you're done. That way it does not unravel. You want it to unravel when you want it to unravel, sis, okay? I actually saw my girl Adana stretch her hair out like this, and I was like, oh my gosh, my mom used to do this all the time when we were little girls. I have not done this technique in a long time, like since I was a little girl. So I was like, you know what, let me give it a try and see if my hair is going to stretch out really good. I usually just twist my hair at night, and that's about it. But this time I was like, okay, let me see if it's going to stretch out really good for me to have like a really nice cool afro. I'm just gonna be sectioning my hair out exactly the way I'm doing. Once I'm done sectioning the hair, I'm just gonna take a little bit more of the Jamaican black castor oil and make sure the hair is really nice and moisturized. Sis, you gotta make sure your hair is nice and moisturized because the yarn is going to dry your hair out. And once you're taking it down as well, make sure it is nice and juiced up, okay? Wow, we're still talking, sis. Have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes! Today's shout out goes to Lucilia's Kitchen. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, sis. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for all the love. I really, really appreciate you. You are everyone today. Okay, sis. I have about 16 sections in my hair all together. So I'm just going to take my scarf and go to bed, sis. So I did keep them overnight. So today what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unravel the yarn out of my hair. Exactly the way I'm doing, guys. Very easy. The way you take it out, this is exactly how you do it. Very, very easy. You're just going to pull it out as gentle as possible. Okay, don't be too rough now. See, be as gentle as you can. Okay. Just gonna take a little bit more of the coconut oil and make sure my hair is not dry. All right, so I'm just gonna be using this scarf, guys, and just to make sure, you know, hair is not all over my body. All right, sis, I'm just gonna pause this video real quick for you so you can subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell as well so you do not miss out on any upload, sis, because you know what? This channel is getting juicy and you do not want to miss out on any upload, sis, because you want to be the first one to try all the styles. Okay, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you're sharing this video with your cousin too, your best friend too, sis, and your mama too, because I want everybody to be looking cute in the streets. Okay. And as you guys can see, my hair is nice and long now. Oh my gosh, and baby, when I tell you this fro came all the way through. Yes, sis, I am living for this afro situation right here. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this yarn technique right here, because baby, when I tell you this came all the way through and I am feeling myself. Okay, I am feeling like an African queen. You know, the fro, it came all the way through. And sister, you know, I gotta give you another option. You can wear this afro exactly the way I am wearing it, or you can actually wear it in a bun. So you know my hair is short or whatever, but we're gonna try to do a bun here, but we are not using any gel. We are actually just working with my frozen, nothing else. I'm just gonna take my brush, my Diana brush, and you know, brush my hair up in the back and in the sides. And then I'm going to be using my shoelace, guys. Yes, this is a shoelace because I wanted something that's going to be nice and long, but not silky that, you know, it does, yeah, just pop out or whatever. And then I'm just going to, you know, place it on my head and then tie it in the front and just start pulling it up. And once I feel like that's where I want my puff to be, I'm just going to secure that, and that's about it. And as you guys can see, I'm not using any gel. I'm not using anything. I just did my baby hairs a little bit, just, you know, just to give myself a little pop. You know what I'm saying? Then I'm going to use my afro comb just, you know, to make sure everything is nice and situated. And baby, when I tell you this afro puff came all the way through. Yes, sis, I am living for it as well. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this technique right here, because sister, when I tell you this style came all the way through with my short afro hair, okay? Can you imagine we went from this to this? How can this be true, honey? Just make sure you moisturize your hair, sis, because you don't want your hair to be dry, okay? That is all I'm going to say, and your hair is going to come all the way through. Yes, and for some people who are like, Tupo, we have never seen you wear your fro before, and this is it, sis. We are wearing the afro situation today, and I am loving it. But thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking, and thank you for commenting on my videos. I cannot believe we are here today. Make sure you're sharing this video with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.